Next, I want to change the logo that appears on the invoice. Right now it's this generic M. I want to make it so users can upload their own logo, and if they don't, nothing appears in that logo spot on the invoice. To make this change, we can simply type that request in the chat box in the bottom left. The key with prompting and Hostinger Horizons is to be as concise and specific as possible with your requests. And generally, you only want to request one change at a time, otherwise the AI can get a bit confused and the AI might not do exactly what you're asking for. So here I'll type up a simple prompt. I've said, instead of a generic logo that appears in the upper right of the invoice, let's allow users to upload their own logo. And if they don't upload their own logo, nothing should appear in that upper right invoice position. Just leave it completely blank. Now that we've entered a prompt, let's hit send. And just like with the initial generation, Hostinger Horizons will take a little bit of time to process the request. You'll see some code being written in the background, and some notes in the left side chat to let you know what it's doing. To save time, I'll go ahead and fast forward. And just like that, the AI has made the change, and that upper right section of the invoice is blank, but if we want, we can click to upload a logo.